Hi everyone and welcome to TechStream's YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to fix triple click not opening guided access on your iPhone 14, 14 Pro and 14 Pro Max. So what is guided access? Simply, guided access keeps the iPhone in a single app and allows you to control which features are available. To start guided access, triple click the side button in the app you want to use. So for example, when I open an app here like camera app, when I triple click the side button, uh, I see the accessibility shortcuts, but I don't see the guided access here. So wonder how to edit here. For that, go to settings up. In the settings up, scroll down, tap on accessibility. In the accessibility settings, scroll down, tap on guided access under general. From here, simply turn on guided access. So now actually when you another thing as well before that, when for that, go to accessibility shortcuts. From here, make sure to select guided access there as well. Now when you open an app on your iPhone, just simply triple click the side button and you will see the guided access here. So you can simply start the guided access, or if you don't want, you can simply cancel it. So that's it. And I'll tell you how to add the guided access to control center as well. For that, simply go to settings. In the settings, scroll down, tap on control center. In the control center, scroll down and under more controls, you'll find the option for guided access. Simply tap on the plus sign and this will be added to control center. Now you can access guided access by opening an app and opening the control center, and here you have it. Simply tap on it. This will start the guided access. So that's it. Thank you for watching this how to fix triple click not opening guided access on iPhone 14. And I hope this helped you in some way, and please do like and subscribe.